Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to Marcus' new favorite coffee shop.
Hello, Go Coffee.
Hello, Go Coffee. I think Marcus has a dog right now.
Yeah.
Because the dog
It's
is
in
not going anywhere. It's a cute corgi. I cannot show myself. This is social semi-walks.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Then don't show yourself.
Okay, maybe I have to blur it. Okay, but I will definitely show this little paws here. Look at this. Look how cute this dog is. I mean, that's way more interesting than streets, right, little doggo?
A little
It's
corgi.
way more interesting, yeah? I wish my dog would be that nice
Yeah.
than Arlo. And she's so clean and nice. And she has a little bracelet, look at this. She has a little bracelet with some smileys.
And
She's a little bit chunky though, or maybe
but
just
also,
hairy.
what we learned yesterday is just when the weather is not sunny, she's a little bit depressed.
Yeah, so sad.
Yeah.
I think you should definitely like this video so it gets good weather again. So she's
Yeah.
gonna be.
We're using animals to get likes. What is it? Animal abuse work? What?
Oh yeah. She's such a junkie. She's a big potato. Are you a big potato, Alo? Yeah? So guys, it's cold. I don't know what's happening. I actually like it because I know in 1 week or 2 weeks it's going to be piping hot every day. So I kind of enjoy this. Roaming around also. And yeah, also look at this car. You know how much I like my Pokemon. I like my VF3. Okay. Bye bye, Alo. Bye bye. Look at this car. I should get one of those, right? Imagine me in those cars. I would need a pink one or something. Or like a red, like my shirt. So this here is now the official coffee street of Da Nang. It's the corner of Antung 34 and Antung 37, okay? And before that, I will also link down below the Alo coffee. This is already my favorite coffee. And next to it is also another favorite coffee now. Marcus likes to look at this. Marcus, how dumb he looks with his flip-flops. Are those the flip-flops from your hotel, bro?
Yeah. It
Yo.
is. I wanted to buy Crocs, but they're
Dude.
not available here.
Okay. Well, I mean, are you going to the foot massage or?
No, now I'm going home again.
Okay.
I just went there to work a little bit, and my hotel is around the corner, so
All right.
I wanted to give my shoes a little bit me time. You know?
Maybe you need some Essex like me.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
But look at how white my feet are.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty. All right, see you, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at this, what they also did here. Hold on, let me fix my camera. Look at what they also did here with those beautiful palm trees. They just planted them correctly. Pretty nice. And I think this here is also a huge new place. It's Gordon's New York Bagels. Very interesting. I'm wondering when they will open up. Because I'm in the market for a bagel. This is how it looks. I'm not sure when they're gonna open. But this is also the hotel lobby. So you walk through that and then you go to the hotel. Looks good. So there were 2 stores in there. First there was a coffee shop, then a fruit shake, blah blah blah, I don't know, whatever. And now it's a bagel shop. It's nice.
It's chill.
You got the banh mi here. It's sunset time, but the sun is a little bit out, so it's not that bad. But it's definitely cool today. You'll also see people in thick puffer jackets and people sitting inside. The Z coffee. I really like the Z coffee for the coconut coffee. But be aware, it's very strong. It's very strong though. This is Antung 4. I'm gonna show you Antung 4. I think there are some new places there. So I wanna show you actually, yes, it's actually important for all those people who like to have electronic dance music, all right? They changed this abundant house. So there was some kind of Antung night market from maybe 2019 or something before 2020. And it was always cut away. And now they have this little outdoor area and the Saga. If you've been to Da Nang, you know Saga. They always have electronic music inside, but sometimes also some European DJs. So I've been there 2 years ago in the other location, and it was actually pretty good, the music. So it always depends who's in there, right? But definitely they're gonna have some nightlife in Antung 4. So be aware, you might be very annoyed in those places here. So Antung 4 has now a nightlife place. And as you can see, it's not open yet. Yesterday it was open. We went in there real quick. I think there was drum and bass or something. Hello, Hello. Look at this, there's another cute dog. Lots of massage places and apartment buildings actually here. Many people also live in here. This looks pretty modern outside, right? Hachi home. Don't underestimate those streets here to live as well, because you're the majority. Here, look at this. This is a tattoo shop where Sunshine Bloke got tattooed. And here's this hippie place. And they're doing yoga. I think my friends who are doing brief work and ice bath are also in there often. I think if you want to do yoga or body weight or something like this, I think it's a good place. You should check it out. I think they have group classes in there, and it's right in there. Vegan, very stylish vegan shop, and Burger Bros. Some people even say Burger Bros has the best burgers. I tried it out once. I don't remember how it was good or not, but I'm also not a big burger guy. So this here is a little bit misleading, okay? So they claim to have Ban Kun, okay? I love Ban Kun, but I don't know where it is, and I've never seen it open. It breaks my heart. I love Ban Kun. Can you please open more Ban Kun places? Here you can also see now, this is a part of the hostel, which is here on the left side. Very popular hostel and bar outside as well. This is always busy. Lots of people are in there. Not in particular to live cheap, but for the community. Lots of young people in there, I think backpackers as well. And yeah, mini marts. And of course, Two Ladies Kitchen. I have to say, so many people love it, but I don't. I tried it out often, but it's just not, I don't like it. I'm sorry. It's not my vibe. The banh mi is not my, it's a nice place, nice people. It's just, if I want to have banh mi in this neighborhood, I just go to Badao. It's just better in my opinion. They have some grilled meat or like, but it's, I don't know. It's not what I like. But I have to say, everyone, after I made a video there and I ate there, so many people came up to me and said, oh, the Two Ladies Kitchen is the best banh mi you ever recommended. I'm like, I don't even recommend it, but yeah. You know what, try it out. You might love it. So still props to them. Lots of people tell me it's great. Just for me, I just like a specific type of banh mi, and Badao is the man, the woman and the man and the family who serves it to me. Now let's check out Antung 3. We're at Antung 3 here, charming beauty hotel. everyone who stayed here gave me also props that they liked it. The only thing I heard from my best friend is the water pressure is not hard enough. That's what he said. But other than that, I did not hear anything negative about it. And another German said, why do you bring me there? They don't even have breakfast. So they don't have breakfast. But you have a lot of other places. Hello. Thank you. Awesome. Are you?
I always see Marcus, but I never see you.
Oh, okay. Really? Oh, from which account are you a subscriber?
Huh?
Are you a Social Semi Walks or the Social Semi account?
Both of them.
Both of them. Oh,
Both
nice.
both
What's your name?
Sherry,
Sherry?
Yes,
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Lori,
Laurie?
Canada.
Oh, awesome. And you?
Florida.
Florida? Oh, cool. Okay. Okay, so you fighting each other here, like on the street? No, I mean Canada and America, you know.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to America.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day evening, okay? Bye bye. Okay, guys. So the trade war is over. I officially ended it. Canadians and Americans, you can give your hands again. Everything is fine. This is also a brand new spot here. This is a wine bar. Very bougie. Ooh la la. Look at this. Looks very nice. Hello. Just want to make a video real quick. Going again. Okay. Have a good evening. All right. So this place looks like it's gonna be done soon, but somehow it's not. Somehow they take a little bit. But look at this. I'm not sure if there's gonna be a glass front. It's most likely gonna be a glass front or maybe a balcony. Not sure. We will see. This here is also, if you check out Airbnbs, which is illegal, by the way, now, you will find this place in Airbnb. I wanted to go in there and ask how much it is, but somehow there's no one to be found. So there's no one, no front office or anything. It says room available, but who knows. Not sure what this is. This looks like a beer place maybe. This is also, so this was a perfume bar. And now they have upstairs area, downstairs area. I'm not sure what this is. Looks Korean. Hello. What is this place? Is it a restaurant? Restaurant?
Yeah, restaurant.
Ah, okay. Which type of restaurant?
It's Korean.
Korean? Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's a Korean restaurant. And here, guys, sometimes you can get some good deals here with exchange money. But I still like my guy I showed you in the money walk the most. Hello. Then you got some little houses here where they have convenience stores. Veda Kitchen. I think this is a vegan place. I'm not sure. And then there's a huge Indian restaurant. I toured this property once with my friend Bud Cowman because he checked it out because he wanted to rent it out. So we saw the whole building, but it was pretty tough to rent it to make apartments out of it. So it has to be a restaurant. And here you have Japanese restaurant. And here you can buy the finest watches, guys. Look at this. Who needs a Nixon, Coach, Rolex? Huh. Calla Lily Residence. This looks very modern, guys. Look at this building. This looks like definitely renovated or new. I mean, it looks very clean and nice. Family residence as well. Here you can also have apartments with balconies. I think this street is pretty calm. And then, guys, here is also interesting place because not many people know it. I mean, now they have it written down there. It's Vegan Cafe for all my vegan viewers. And my wife tried out their coffee. Very good coffee. Hey, how you doing, man?
Best Danang YouTuber.
Thank you so much.
How are you, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I watched your videos before I moved here.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
How did you try it out? Yeah.
Yeah, I lived
Gracie's
here.
Kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Have you ever?
I was at the opening. They're friends of friends. It's a
Yeah,
Brazilian couple.
Yes,
Yeah.
but right now, my friend Ollie.
Yeah.
I mean, I met him when I moved here.
Yeah,
He's the one
doing it.
who's running the cafe right now.
Oh, okay,
The
okay.
British kid.
I
He's
don't know.
amazing. Yeah. But they're closing for a few days earlier than.
That's why.
Yeah. So they're gonna. Usually they close at 9, but now they're closing earlier for whatever reason.
Okay, what's your favorite dish in there?
I just like. I like have like cookies and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. I haven't tried all of the things.
Yeah.
Oh, we got luck.
Okay, cool. Hey, have a good evening.
Yep. Good luck.
All right, thank you so much. All right, now I'm gonna go to Echo Green Hotel, meet my friends, but also here you have puppies. It's pretty busy nowadays. It was pretty empty when they opened up, but I think they have a great concept. I like their specific pizza there. They have one pizza which is not very Italian, but I absolutely love it. It's salad on it, and it's ricotta, it's caramelized onions and bacon on a flatbread. It's beautiful. So definitely try it out if you are into funky pizzas. If you're Italian, I apologize. It's most likely not Italian. All right.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.